Hey guys, today we're gonna do something fun. We're gonna create a lookalike app of the WatchOS Apple Wallet. If you don't know what I'm talking about this app. This right here is your WatchOS Apple Wallet, and we're gonna create an app that looks sort of like it or almost like it. Okay, cool. And the first thing we're gonna need is some cards, and for that I just downloaded pictures of cards from some bank's website. I'm just gonna drag them over here to my assets. See, it's a Visa card, MasterCard, another MasterCard from some Citibank and Emirates NBD and whatnot. Okay, cool. Once I have imported these cards and I give them easy names, 1, 2, 3. Now I need to create an array here for those cards. So I'm gonna just say let cards equal 1, 2, 3. Cool. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna create a list, and inside the list I'm going to loop through my cards and print them out. For now I'm just gonna print out the name of each card. It should just say 1, 2, 3. So that would be text and then card over here, just card. Now I'm getting an error. For each requires that string confirmed to identifiable. So this is easy to fix. All you gotta do is just add ID equal to / I believe, then .self. That should do it. I don't really understand what that means, to be honest. I just know that it works, and I looked it up one day on Google and it just fixes the problem. So there you go. Okay, now over here on the right you can see that we got a list, just says 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Now instead of the list I want to have an image here, so just say image and then card, and let's see what we get. Now I'm getting the cards, but the size is huge, so we gotta work on that. So I'm gonna say that the card is resizable and give it a height of, let's say 110 for now. Okay, that's almost what we want, but it looks a little bit wonky. The card looks like it was stretched out to fit the height. If you want to get a better aspect ratio, you should just use aspect ratio, and over here content mode you gotta just do fill. And that looks more natural. The other thing we want to deal with here is the background color. The background color does not look right, and in order to remove that you just need to add another thing here. It's called list row background, and just set it to black. Cool, we're almost getting there. Now this does not look the same type as the list that we have over here in the WatchOS app. Look at this. So the style in the WatchOS app is different in the sense that the selected item is zoomed more toward your face, while in this list everything is flat. So to change that we just need to not here, you need to go to list and add list style and just go with carousel. Okay, now that makes it similar to Watch app. Each card jumps to your face when you hover over it. There we go. Another problem we got to deal with here is that you can see that 2 cards are filling up this view. We don't want that to be the case. We want it to be exactly like the WatchOS app, in the sense that there's a little bit of space above the first card. So in order to do that, all we got to do is just add a spacer here, let it reload. You can see there's more space added here, But to give the perception that there's nothing there, we just need to do the same thing that we did for the image and set the list row background to black. There we go. That's better. Now we can do the same thing on the bottom here, and now we have a lovely list of cards. Now let's just do one last thing and we run this, see how it looks like in the simulator. And there we go. This is what it looks like in the simulator. That's an app that looks almost like the WatchOS Apple Wallet. Oh, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to support this channel, get the source code for this video and the source code for the other videos. You can subscribe to my Patreon below in the description, and see you next time.